Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how to find approximate square root of a number. Now we can easily find square root of a number which is a perfect square, but in cases of, let's say, number like 6000, how will you find square root of this number very quickly so that your calculations become faster? So in this case, first of all, we need to think of a perfect square number around 6000. So I can think of 6400 right now, which as per our knowledge is a perfect square. So the square root of 6400, as we all know, is 80. Let's say this value is a. Why I am classifying this value as a? We need to understand the formula after this example, so that a will be included in that formula. So let's say this is a, the square root of 6400, which is 80, is equal to a. Now what we'll do is we'll take out the difference of 6400 and 6000, which is 400. What we'll do, this 400, let's say it's d as a difference. So 80 minus 400 upon, now this is very important. Why minus? Minus because 6400 is larger than a. If there was a number which was smaller than 6000, then it would have been plus. So 80 minus 400 upon twice of 80. So the formula with us becomes, let's understand the formula first, a minus d upon 2a. So this is the formula. You understand it better with another example that we'll discuss here. So 80 minus 400 upon 160. This comes out to be 10 by 4 when we divide it with 4. So 80 minus 10 by 4 is 2.5. So which is equal to 77.5, or let's say it's approximately 78. So one example gives us a solution of square root of 6000, which is not a perfect square, is equals to 78. Now let's understand this by another example. Now what if we can choose a number which is smaller than 6000 in this case? And yes, we can perfectly do that. So let's say the number is 4900. We all know the square root of 4900 is 70. So applying the formula again that we learned over here, a plus minus d upon 2a. Now it's very important to understand in which case we'll apply plus and which case we'll apply minus. So as I told you, because 6400 was larger than 6000, we used minus, but now 4900 is smaller than 6000, so we'll use plus. So what's our a? 70 is our a. 70 plus, now difference, d is difference, 6000 minus 4900 comes out to be 1100. So 70 plus 1100 upon twice of 70 will be 140. So 0 gets cancelled out with 0. 110 by 14 is 8. Comes out to be 78, which shows that this formula is perfectly okay if you want to make your calculations faster to find a square root of a number. In the previous example as well, we saw the square root came out to be 78. So this way you can do your calculations faster and remember things easily. Thank you.